Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem we're looking at g of x is equal to x f of x. We're given some information about f. We're looking to find the equation of the tangent line of the graph of g at the point where x is equal to 3. So the first thing when we're thinking about tangent lines is we need to find the derivative, because that's going to give us the slope of the tangent line. So the derivative of g of x is going to be equal to, taking this as a product, we can use the product rule. So we have the first term times the derivative of the second, plus the second times the derivative of the first. Simplifying this, we have x times the derivative of f plus f of x times the derivative of x. X is a linear term, so its derivative is its coefficient, which is just 1. So this is plus f of x times 1, which is just plus f of x. We're looking for it when x is equal to 3. So plugging in 3 for x, we have 3 times f prime of 3 plus f of 3. This is going to be 3, and we're given the derivative of f at 3 is equal to negative 2, and we're given that f of 3 is equal to 4. So this is 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, plus 4 is negative 2. So this is the slope of the tangent line. To get the full equation, we're going to need the point. Luckily, we know that g of x is equal to x f of x. So when x is equal to 3, plugging in 3, g of 3 is equal to 3 f of 3, which is 3 times, and then f of 3 we know is 4, so 12. So when x is 3, g is 12, so the point 3, 12 is on g. So going ahead with our equation of a line, y equals mx plus b, we know the slope is the value of the derivative at that point, which is negative 2. And we know that this equation is true when this point is plugged in because it's the tangent point. So 12 plugging in for y is equal to negative 2 times 3 plugging in for x plus b. Just rewriting that so we don't run out of space. 12 is equal to negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 plus b, adding 6 to both sides. We get that b is equal to 18. So the equation of the tangent line is y is equal to negative 2x plus 18. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.